The Samsung Galaxy S series represents the pinnacle of Android smartphone innovation each year. But how will Samsung manage to wow us next with the Galaxy S24 Ultra? If rumors are to be believed, the S24 Ultra could introduce some truly exciting upgrades across the board, from camera and performance improvements to display, battery, and S Pen enhancements. Samsung's 2024 flagship may bring over 15 big changes that make it a worthy follow-up to the excellent S23 Ultra. But which new features and capabilities will really catch our eye? Let's explore the biggest upgrades the Galaxy S24 Ultra is tipped to deliver. Number 1, a more powerful chipset. We expect the Galaxy S24 Ultra to be powered either by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 or the Exynos 2400 chipset, depending on the market. This will provide a nice boost in both CPU and GPU performance compared to the S23 Ultra's Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip. The new chipsets are built on a 4nm process and will likely have more efficient cores, allowing for better multitasking and graphics rendering with the extra power. The S24 Ultra should breeze through any app or game you throw at it. Number 2, an upgraded camera. With improved zoom, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is rumored to get an improved telephoto lens, providing better zooming capabilities between 3x and 10. Could this allow for a higher maximum zoom level than the current 100x space zoom? We'll have to wait and see, but an upgraded telephoto lens, with things like a wider aperture, better stabilization, or a higher resolution sensor, could take the S24 Ultra's already stellar camera to the next level. The improved telephoto will likely replace one of the 2 zoom lenses on the S23 Ultra. Low-light photography could also get a boost. Number 3, a brighter display. The Galaxy S24 Ultra may push the peak brightness of its 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED display to a searing 2500 nits. According to one leaker, that's a big upgrade from the 1750-nit peak of the S23 Ultra and would make the screen much easier to view outdoors under sunlight. High brightness modes tend to be power-hungry, but that extra pop could make images and videos really stand out. We'll have to see how this potential 500-plus nits boost impacts real-world use. Number 4, an even smoother 144Hz refresh rate. One exciting rumor points to Samsung bumping up the refresh rate on the S24 Ultra from 120Hz up to 144Hz. This speculation comes from a leak out of Korea and would make the S24 Ultra feel extremely fast and fluid when scrolling or gaming. 144Hz displays aren't common on phones yet, giving the S24 Ultra a chance to stand out in smoothness. Of course, a higher refresh rate may impact battery life to some extent, so hopefully Samsung's other improvements can offset this. Number 5, next-gen memory and storage. We could see the S24 Ultra make the jump up to LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.1 storage. One leaker predicts up to 16 GB of RAM, which would be a huge upgrade over the S23 Ultra's maximum of 12 GB. As apps and games become more demanding, having more memory headroom will ensure optimal multitasking performance years down the line. The super-fast UFS 4.1 spec for storage can further bolster speed. Number 6, longer battery life. While exact battery specs remain unclear, rumors point to potential battery life improvements on the Galaxy's S24 Ultra. A new stacked battery design could allow Samsung to eke out more capacity without increasing thickness. Efficiency gains from the new Snapdragon or Exynos chipset will also help. The S23 Ultra already provides all-day endurance, but who wouldn't want their phone to last even longer on a charge? Number 7, faster 45-watt or 65-watt charging. With the battery upgrades, Samsung has an opportunity to step up charging speeds too. 45-watt charging felt slower compared to rivals in 2023, so bumping up to 65-watt would help the S24 Ultra charge up quicker. There are conflicting rumors on Samsung's charging plans, but either way, we don't expect charging to get slower. Number 8, new titanium frame. Multiple leaks point to the Galaxy's S24 Ultra switching from aluminum to a titanium metal frame. This could shave off a gram or more of weight while retaining ruggedness. The titanium build may also give the S24 Ultra a more luxe premium feel in the hand. A new frame material is one of the more subtle changes, but still gives the phone fresh appeal. Number 9, One UI software improvements. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is a key to launch with One UI 5.5 or 6 out of the box, bringing refinements across the board. This includes enhancements to the camera app, UI customization, S Pen features, Bixby routines, privacy controls, and much more. Software updates are key to keeping any phone feeling fresh over years of use, so the changes on the S24 Ultra will go a long way. Number 10, satellite connectivity. Following the lead of Apple, Samsung is tipped to introduce satellite connectivity for sending SOS messages on the S24 Ultra when outside of cellular range. The phone could connect to satellites orbiting overhead to relay short emergency texts. This capability could literally save lives in remote areas or disaster zones. With poor service, let's hope it works as advertised. So in summary, the Galaxy S24 Ultra looks set to deliver big upgrades to performance, cameras, battery life, charging, design, screens, software experience, and much more. It sets the bar high for what we can expect from a flagship phone in 2024. There are plenty of compelling improvements coming that make the S24 Ultra worth getting excited about. As Samsung's next ultra premium handset, we'll know official details soon enough as launchers, but for now the rumors paint an impressive picture of what's to come. Well, that's all for today. What potential feature or upgrade excites you the most for the Galaxy S24 Ultra? Let me know in the comments, and if you want to see more videos on the S24 Ultra and other tech news as it breaks, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.